Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration. You know, Rolling Thunder, the great teacher and thinker, said that we've given our health to our doctors, we've given our money to our bankers, we've given our soul to our preacher, and we've given our children to our schools. And in doing so, we've lost the ability to control our lives. But you know what? We've done more than that. We've lost the ability to control ourselves. And the reason being is that we have given our ability to think away. And let me explain that. You know, this is what's worse. You know, we don't realize how our mind works, so we don't control it, and then we can't focus it. And because we can't focus it, we are lost, and we are not in control. We're letting things happen to us. In fact, a lot of us are paying attention to the news media, and paying attention to what others are saying. And as a result of doing that, we are not in control of our thinking, we're not in control of our lives, and we are being victims because we are allowing what's going on around us to control us. Make sense? I mean, think about it for a second. We are not thinking for ourselves. We are letting information that's coming in from others determine who we are, what we're going to do, and how we're going to live based on their idea of what is right for us. So the governments, the corporations, they are making decisions that might not be right for you, yet you're accepting it, you're allowing it, you're living by it. So think about that for a second. You know, if you can't control your mind, then you can't control you're not controlling your thinking. And if you're not controlling your thinking, then you're absolutely not in control of your life. You're allowing things to happen, and you can't focus. And without focus, you could end up anywhere. And that's what's happening. I see it all around me all the time. You know, recently I was talking with somebody, and they were talking to me about being robotic. You know, that being disciplined is robotic. Well, it's not. That's just focused determination. That's taking my greatest goal, my greatest idea, focusing it, and putting my attention on it, and building upon that. Why do I do that? Well, because it matters to me. Why do I come out here and walk in nature every day and make these videos for you? Because it matters to me, because I enjoy it, because it gives value, because it's something I want to do. It's actually something I need to do in a way. If I don't do it, I lose something, a part of me. So think about that for a second. You know, if you've given your control away to the banker, to the doctors, to the schools, to the teachers around the world, don't do it. Think about it for a second. You can live the life of your dreams, and you can do it by controlling this, controlling your thinking, just your thoughts alone. Today, set the intentions for what you want. Focus on what you want. Focus your attention on what you want. And then, at the end of the day, measure it. Bookend your day. Start your day. This is just a simple practice you can do. Start your day by deciding what it is that you want. Write it down. Just 3 things. Make it statements like, I am doing this, I am achieving this, I'm experiencing this. At the end of the day, assess. See if you made that deposit. See if you made that happen. Then, keep doing that. And you will see how things will start to shift for you because you're focusing your attention. All right. If you're on my YouTube channel, leave me a comment. If you're not, head over there, check it out. I have other videos that will help you live a full and happy life and be a better version of yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.